Who doesn't love a good scandal? Even Don Henley sang about it in Dirty Laundry. Well, I've got some dirty laundry of my own, and if you've got some browning bananas in your kitchen, I'm about to show you how to turn them into something so scandalously delicious, they should probably be illegal. But first, you know the drill. Here are my ripe bananas, and we're going to mash them up. Okay, we can leave it a little chunky. We're just going to measure that now. Oh my gosh, it's like bangarang on, just under 2 cups, okay? So we're gonna put that off to the side. I'm gonna pull over my mixing bowl, and we're gonna start with 3/4 of a cup of shortening. And I have 1 1/4 cups of sugar here. I'm gonna pour that in. And we're gonna just cream that mixture. Okay, you see how that looks? Now we're gonna add in our eggs. I have 2 eggs here. And we're gonna cream it a little more. Only like a minute or 2, you don't really have to overbeat. Now we're gonna add in our mashed bananas. And that's 2 cups there. We're going to add in our vanilla. I put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, now it's time to mix in our dry ingredients. And I've got here 2 cups of sifted flour. So we'll pour that in. And I have a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we want just a pinch of salt in here. From this point on, because I don't like to overbeat it, we're just going to mix it by hand. And you can see, just it comes together nice. And you kind of want it like a cake batter. You don't want it like a cookie batter where it's too thick. This is going to be ooey gooey goodness. Okay, you see how we've got it there? Then I have 1/2 cup of milk. You can put buttermilk in, but I don't have buttermilk, so I'm putting milk in. Okay, and I have mixed here a little over a cup, maybe between a cup and about 1.25 cups of mixed chocolate chips. So I have dark, and then I have milk, and then I have semi-sweet. Look at that. It looks so good. So I'm going to get the pan out, and we're going to start putting this in the pan. And I have just a little bit of cooking spray, vegetable cooking spray. And I've already turned the oven on, so we are ready to go there. And here I have, this is like the secret weapon, caramel. We're just gonna top them off here. We're gonna put this in the oven. Woo! It's a little steamy. There we go. So there you have it, folks. Banana muffins with chocolate on top. We're gonna, maybe let them, you know what, I'll take one out. But we're gonna let them cool. You know, folks, I think I'm gonna let the rest of them cool so I don't burn my little fingers. But this is what they look like, and the kitchen smells so good. So, if the food police come knocking, tell them you got the recipe from me. And if there's a warrant out for your next recipe, don't worry, I'm your accomplice. I got your back. This is Getting Saucy with Cece, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Till next time. Cheers.